Learning Time, Time Series by Happy Brain Books.
Today we will start learning how to read a clock. We will learn two very important times, o'clock and half past. Are you ready? Let's go. The clock has 12 numbers. Each number represents 5 minutes. That makes 60 minutes in one full circle. First, let's understand the clock. The shorthand is called the hour hand. The long hand is called the minute hand. When the long hand points at 12, it means 0 minutes, so the time is exactly on the hour. We say, o'clock. Example 1. Shorthand at 3. Long hand at 12, it's 3 o'clock. Example 2. Shorthand at 7. Long hand at 12, it's 7 o'clock. Now, when the long hand points at 6, it means 30 minutes have passed. That's half an hour. So we say, half past hour. Example 1. Shorthand between 3 and 4. Long hand at 6. The time is 3:30. Example 2. Shorthand between 9 and 10. Long hand at 6. 9:30. We say half past, because half of the clock, meaning 30 minutes, have passed after the hour.
Now it's your turn. Look at these clocks and try to tell the time. It's 11:30. It's 2 o'clock. It's 12:30. It's 10 o'clock. Excellent work! Today you learned how to read a clock and half past on the clock. In the next video, we will learn quarter past and quarter to. Keep practicing at home. Look at the clock and try saying the time in words. See you next time.